2025 Volkswagen Golf R stick still rocks. In an era where manual transmissions are increasingly rare, the 2025 Volkswagen Golf R faces a curious fate. It no longer offers a traditional stick shift in many markets. Yet despite losing that analog driver's connection, the latest Golf R still delivers on the performance, balance, and character that have made it a benchmark among hot hatches. With refreshed styling, more power, and updated tech, it aims to maintain its place in the hearts of driving purists and everyday enthusiasts alike. The question is, without a clutch pedal underfoot, can the 2025 Golf R still deliver the thrills that define R status? We drive it hard to find out. Exterior. Visually, the 2025 Golf R is evolution over revolution, but the changes are striking enough to notice. The front end is sharper. A revised bumper features wider intakes, a new gloss black grille insert, and an illuminated VW badge option. Headlights adopt adaptive LED technology with auto-leveling and cornering lamps, adding both style and functional visibility. The grille integrates subtle R badging and honeycomb mesh inserts, giving the fascia a more aggressive stance. From the side, the silhouette stays true to the Golf's hatchback roots but with more purposeful detail. Gloss black mirror caps, more sculpted side skirts, and muscular wheel arches house optional 19-inch forged wheels that improve both aesthetics and brake cooling. The roofline remains clean, with a subtle integrated spoiler adding to aerodynamic refinement. At the back, the taillights adopt more angular LED signatures, while the rear bumper gets sharper lines and integrated diffuser elements. Quad exhaust outlets remain a visual cue of the R's performance nature. The rear also features a more pronounced lip on the tailgate, improving airflow. Overall, the exterior presents a confident, understated athleticism. It doesn't shout, but it clearly signals that this is not your average Golf. Compared to rivals like the Honda Civic Type R or Hyundai Elantra N, the Golf R retains a more conservative look, but that's part of its appeal. It's refined, functional, and more mature, letting performance do the talking. Interior. Stepping inside, the 2025 Golf R blends sportiness with usability. The cabin retains a familiar layout, but with updated materials, improved ergonomics, and new tech. Seats in R models are sport-style bolsters with Napa leather and optional Art Velers inserts, offering support for spirited driving while still being comfortable in daily use. Copper or contrasting stitching highlights add visual flair. The steering wheel is now capacitive with swipe controls for media and menu navigation, a divisive choice. Many enthusiasts lament the loss of tactile buttons. Nonetheless, the wheel feels sturdy and well-shaped, though accidental mode changes have been reported when fingers brush capacitive zones during spirited cornering. One reviewer noted the R button on the left spoke activated drive mode while cornering. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a new 12.9-inch touchscreen, which is larger than before and offers more intuitive menus, faster responsiveness, and better integration with VW's software. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging are standard. Below the screen, slim capacitive sliders for climate control have returned, somewhat improved in brightness but still not as tactile as physical knobs. The digital instrument cluster displays performance metrics, boost pressure, and torque split info. R-specific graphics and a dedicated R display mode emphasize the car's sporty nature. Ambient lighting with many color choices adds a premium feel. Rear seats provide reasonable comfort for two adults, though headroom can be tight behind taller front occupants. Cargo space is typical for a compact hatchback, adequate for daily errands but less generous than some crossover alternatives. Overall, the interior is well balanced, a sporty environment that remains livable for everyday driving. Some controls sacrifice tactile feedback for sleekness, but the overall execution is better than many rivals. Powertrain and performance. The 2025 Golf R's heart is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, now tuned to 328 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, a modest bump over the previous generation. The engine is paired exclusively to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, DSG. Yes, the manual is gone in most markets, making this the first R model you can't drive with a proper stick in many regions. Despite that, performance is impressive. The AWD 4-motion system delivers a strong launch, enabled by torque vectoring that can send up to 50% of power to the rear axle. On paper, 0 to 60 mph times hover in the low 4-second range, depending on conditions and driver technique. The power delivery is smooth and linear, with minimal turbo lag and strong mid-range thrust. Steering is precise and communicative, though not overtly heavy, ideal for balancing daily usability with track competence. The adaptive suspension offers multiple modes: comfort, normal, race, which adjust damping firmness. On tight bends, the car feels planted and eager, with limited body roll and excellent grip. Compared to the Civic Type R, front drive, or Hyundai i30N front drive, the Golf R's AWD gives it a traction advantage, especially in wet or uneven conditions. Though DSG automatics are known for fast shifts, some purists critique the lack of clutch presence or the crispness of a manual's mechanical connection. Nevertheless, the execution here is among the better DSGs in the performance hatch class. One notable feature is the optional Euro-style package, which trades some comfort and features: sunroof, seat ventilation, seat memory, to reduce weight, reportedly about 80 pounds removed, which helps sharpen balance. Compared to rivals, the Golf R's combination of AWD, balanced tuning, and practical compact dimensions make it exceptional. It doesn't aim to be the fastest straight-line car. That role might go to rear-wheel drive super hatches, but in real-world usage, it excels. Technology and safety. On the tech front, the 2025 Golf R gains upgraded driver assistance features under VW's IQ. Drive Umbrella. Standard safety features include automated emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, lane change assist, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. Park Assist Plus, which offers hands-free self-parking, front and rear, comes standard. The touchscreen interface also includes enhanced navigation, over-the-air updates, and smart route charging for hybrid EV context in future VW ecosystems. One area of contention is the capacitive controls on the steering wheel and dash. While they give a sleek aesthetic, accidental inputs have been reported. Some users accidentally hit the drive mode button mid-corner. Other reviewers note that the touch-sensitive sliders for HVAC sometimes require more intentional contact to register than desirable, especially while wearing gloves or in motion. In crash protection, the Golf R continues to benefit from VW's long experience in structural engineering. Airbags, reinforced chassis components, and advanced sensors help equip it to achieve high safety ratings, though exact 2025 crash test scores are still forthcoming as of writing. Connectivity is strong. VW includes a Wi-Fi hotspot over the air, software upgrades, connected services via the MyVW app, and premium audio options like the Harman Kardon system. The new screen is sharper, more responsive, and better integrated than before, improving usability and minimizing distraction. Running experience and ownership. On a daily basis, the Golf R manages to balance sportiness and practicality. The ride, in comfort mode, is pliant enough for city driving, and even sport modes don't feel punishing over broken pavement. Noise insulation is improved, though at higher speeds, engine and tire noise creep in. Unsurprising for a performance car, but the cabin remains livable for long-distance drives. Reliability is always a concern with performance models, but Volkswagen's experience with the MQB platform, modern turbo engines, and DSG systems bodes well. Maintenance will be more demanding than a standard Golf, especially for brakes, tires, and clutch DSG servicing. Fuel economy is modest. Expect in the low 20s mpg in city driving and low 30s highway, typical for a high-output AWD hot hatch. Pricing for the 2025 Golf R in the US starts around $47,100 MSRP. With destination, options, and packages, fully loaded models can push into the low 50,000s. Ownership includes VW's warranty coverage, new vehicle limited, etc., and complimentary care programs like included maintenance in early years. Resale value may hold well, thanks to strong desirability in the performance hatch market. Being a compact hatch doesn't sacrifice usability. A 5-door layout allows daily practicality, and the Golf's compact size makes city maneuvering easier than larger performance sedans or SUVs. Pros and cons. Pros: strong 328 HP turbo engine with AWD and torque vectoring, balanced handling, precise steering, and well-tuned suspension. Practical hatchback layout with usable rear seats, improved tech, larger screen, updated safety systems, characterful. Performance even without a manual. Cons: no manual option in many markets. Purists will miss it. Capacitive controls can lead to accidental inputs, fuel economy, and running costs are high. Interior materials, in some areas not premium enough for its price. Tier: is the car any good? Absolutely. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf R demonstrates that a performance hatch doesn't need a clutch to deliver excitement. It retains its signature balance, real-world usability, and AWD grip. For those willing to embrace a modern interface and automatic-only driving, it remains one of the most compelling all-around performance cars in its class. Is it worth buying? Yes, especially for buyers seeking a daily driver that can also double as a weekend performer. It competes favorably with the Civic Type R, Hyundai Elantra N, and even entry-level sports sedans when you factor in usability, AWD, and overall balance. If your priorities include driver engagement via manual shifting, there are alternatives. But for overall capability, the Golf R remains a rare and attractive package. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf R may suffer in the eyes of purists by lacking a stick shift, but it more than compensates through excellent performance, balanced handling, practical design, and strong technology. It evolves what made the R line respected rather than abandoning it. While some choices, capacitive controls, no manual, divide opinion, the core remains intact. It doesn't just lack stick, it still rocks in every other meaningful way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more deep car reviews and expert insights your way. Stay tuned for more.